Overview. Module 5 provides an exhaustive exploration of assessment and evaluation strategies as integral components of effective lesson planning and instructional design. This module underscores the critical role of assessment not merely as a tool for grading, but as a powerful instrument for informing instruction, enhancing your engagement, fostering self-regulation, and ensuring the achievement of learning objectives. You will engage deeply with various forms of assessment: formative, summative, diagnostic, and authentic, and their appropriate applications within lesson plans. The module offers a comprehensive examination of assessment design principles, including validity, reliability, fairness, and practicality, along with the alignment of assessments to learning objectives. Furthermore, the module highlights strategies for integrating assessment seamlessly within lessons, including the development of rubrics, performance tasks, and technology-assisted assessment tools. Emphasis is placed on using assessment data to drive reflective practice, instructional adjustments, and continuous improvement of both teaching and learning. Detailed content. 5.1 Introduction to Assessment and Evaluation. Definitions. Assessment, evaluation, measurement, and testing distinctions and interrelations. The purpose of assessment in education. Accountability, feedback, motivation, and learning enhancement. Formative versus summative assessment. Characteristics, timing, and roles. Diagnostic and placement assessments. 5.2 Principles of Effective Assessment Design. Validity, ensuring assessment measures what it is intended to measure. Reliability, consistency and dependability of assessment results. Fairness, equity and accessibility considerations in assessment design. Practicality, feasibility regarding time, resources, and context. Transparency and clarity in assessment criteria. 5.3 Aligning assessments with learning objectives. Importance of congruence between objectives and assessment methods. Designing assessments for cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains. Using Bloom's taxonomy to match assessment complexity with objectives. Differentiated assessments for diverse needs. 5.4 Types of assessment methods. Selected response assessments. Multiple choice, true, false, matching. Constructed response assessments. Essays, short answers, projects. Performance-based assessments. Demonstrations, presentations, portfolios. Authentic assessments. Real-world tasks and problem solving. 5.5 Developing assessment tools. Writing effective multiple-choice questions, avoiding bias, plausibility of distractors, clarity. Designing rubrics and scoring guides for objective and subjective assessments, creating checklists and rating scales, incorporating technology. Online quizzes, adaptive testing, e-portfolios. 5.6 Formative assessment techniques. Ongoing checks for understanding, questioning, exit tickets, concept maps. Feedback strategies that promote growth mindset and motivation. Using assessment data to adjust instruction dynamically. Encouraging your reflection and self-regulation. 5.7 Summative assessment practices. Designing comprehensive assessments that evaluate cumulative learning. Balancing breadth and depth in summative tasks. Ensuring reliability and validity in high-stakes assessments. Communicating results constructively to learners and stakeholders. 5.8 Data analysis and using assessment results. Interpreting assessment data for individual and group instructional planning. Identifying learning gaps and strengths. Reporting and communicating assessment outcomes effectively. Ethical considerations in assessment data management. 5.9 Challenges and innovations in assessment. Addressing test anxiety and learner resistance. Ensuring academic integrity and preventing cheating. Incorporating formative assessment in large or virtual classrooms. Emerging trends. Gamification, learning analytics, AI-driven assessment tools. Summary. Module 5 equips you with comprehensive expertise in designing, implementing, and utilizing assessment and evaluation strategies that enhance lesson planning and instructional effectiveness. By mastering these competencies, educators can create assessments that not only measure learning, but also actively contribute to your development and instructional refinement.